Hi everyone, in this video we are building a smoke and gas detection system that will send SMS alert to your phone. This is the MQ2 sensor. This can detect LPG, methane and smoke. Set this knob to fully by turning in clockwise direction. First, we will set up the Twilio account. We are using this to deliver the SMS notifications when smoke or gas detected. You need to change the account SID, authentication token and mobile number in the code. Once done, upload the code to ESP32. Make sure to change your Wi-Fi credentials before uploading the code. Now connect the VCC of the sensor to 3.3 volt pin of ESP32. Ground pin to ground pin. Digital output pin to 35th pin of ESP32. And analog output pin to 34th pin of ESP32. Now I am adding a piezo buzzer. This is optional. Connect its long leg, which is positive, to pin number 2 of ESP32 and negative to the ground. Now power the ESP32 with any 5 volt DC source. Now see, our sensor has detected smoke and triggers the buzzer. SMS alert is received on mobile. Thanks for watching the video. Provide your valuable feedback or suggestions in the comments.